I know every human being. Not just every human being, every sentient being. That which is looking from behind the eyes here is looking from behind the eyes in everybody. Something comes to notice, and I want you to hear someone who say like this. You say, I feel I am behind the face of everyone. This is something very rare. This is something very rare. Because one of the most deep and potent concepts, after I being the first most potent concept, then come you. There cannot be you without me. First there must be me, there must be I, then there can be you and other. You have the sense I, and you're not seeing other as other, you're probably seeing other as I. Can you see what a strange thing this is? You have the sense I, but I is shining in each body as I. But everyone sees I and see you. Some children, they don't see you. But here is different. You see I, and you look at another face, you see I. You're not alone as a person, you're alone as the infinite. It's a very different thing. Some fear is there sometimes, but if it's only me, then I'm going to be lonely. Maybe this is what created all of this in the first place. You're a loner, but you wanted to have a taste of something else. So you manifest this entire universe in order to play, to have the taste of otherness. Which is impossible, but it's possible because you cause everything to happen. Had to have otherness to play, to have the taste of experiencing. You had to create the play of duality. You don't remember doing it. Deep in our psyche, this message is there. That all of this is one totality, one unicity. All of this is one. Somehow. This is why we can speak to each other in any language, because the root is the same. Sentience. Even the animals, somehow we can communicate. If you come out of your just the human groove only, which you do, as you somehow are dissolving from that conditioned state, something is coming more again into its infinite source. Then somehow you feel that you are in dialogue with the entire universe, but as one being. I don't want to talk so much about these things because they can sound a bit metaphysical and okay, forget about it. What is important is that you have the taste I am inside here, which is very godly principle, divine principle. I am. Then other titles are given to this I am. Like I am the body, I am English, I'm Jewish, I'm American, I'm a man, you're a woman, I am this, I am that. These came after. They are not original to the I am. They came after. Therefore, they are in front of the I am sense. The I am is the perceiver and the experiencer of them. But can the I am itself be perceived? Does it have any quality that it can be discerned? Say, oh yes, this is the I am, it looks like this. Does that sense, that intuition, that sense of conscious presence, does it have a form? Does it have a gender? Does it have religion? Does it have shape? Does it have star sign? Does it have birthday? When you contemplate like this, it's not important that you find answers. The very contemplation is itself burning all this dross from the mind. And you're finding less and less to land upon. Again, it returns your reflection to space. You're like space again. Within the world of manifest forms, You will, of course, have relationships. You'll have the movement of time, the play of time, and events are taking place. And you'll also have the joy and the taste of participating in this play. Yet all the time you know you're beyond. Just like an actor goes on stage, plays Henry VIII, does it very well, get great reviews, but all the while never forgets that he's Michael Smith. Something is always there. You still know you're in role. In the same way, something knows, I am not this, but it's okay. This is okay too. This is okay too. This is okay too. Enjoy. Enjoy the dream being awake.